If you haven't seen the previous video, you should do it now. Okay, now that you've seen the previous video before, you can now continue. This is how MMD should look like. This is where models are uploaded and animation happens. In order to the models to be successfully loaded into MMD, you'll need to have the model to be in the format .pmx/.mmd. If you don't have it on those formats, you will get an error. Okay, if you have a model and the correct format, then all you have to do is click the load button. Once that happens, look for the model in where you saved it. After that, it should be a notification coming after you load the model, like this. Now, this is how it should the model be looking like. Don't worry about the blue squares that are appearing into the model. Select a blue square. It should be red when selected. Then you should be able to move it as freely as you want. When you select even this, you'll be having this circle with 3 different colors around the selected area. This can be moved like X, Y, and Z, kinda like 3D printing style. Now let's get started. Let's select this object. Once it's selected, let's choose the blue square, the one at the hips. Then go to the move button, select the rotate box. You should be seeing a green circle with blue and red line. When you select a circle, you need to have the circle selected in order to see the movement. Move it sideways so you can see the effect. Now, we'll do something a little different. Select the same area, the hips, and choose the move button. Import it. Remember, if you didn't convert your model into a .pmx and or the MMD file format, you might see something like this. So remember, try to get the .pmx and or the MMD file format. It's the only way the software will accept it. Let's continue. If you use the move button and the model is in the correct format, you should see this the proper way. The only way that the model will be moving is sideways. You see the green directional arrows on the upper right side? Click on that and leave it clicked to move to your desired direction. Continuing with the video. Let's select the knees and then select the rotate button. Then move the camera by clicking on the right click with the mouse. See that if you rotate on the knees, then it won't move freely. You need to be careful because some areas it doesn't move freely. Select another area, the ankles, and move it. You only have two directions, up and down, and slash or left or right. In other areas, it can make another type of reaction, like this. Try around. When you move it while choosing the position, try moving the camera angle as well. Now you can kind of move it to any angle as long as you move the camera in different angles. Play a little around a little bit. Let's try it on the other angle. Select on the move angle. Sometimes you need to check the surrounding just in case, because from one angle it might be good, but in the other angle it might be off. Then check the upper side of the bottle just in case. This area of the bottle's half is basically between the legs. Not like that. And if we move this box, you'll see this type of reaction. If you want to remove the bottle, you just have to go to model manipulation and go to delete. Once you press that, the model will be erased with a warning. Press OK and done. This video was just the tip of the iceberg from this software. In the future videos, all will make sense. Now you'll enter in the realm of animation. Let's begin there.